Ready to supercharge your Node.js apps with the power of SMS messaging, voice calls, and more. First, you'll need a Twilio account. Head over to Twilio.com and sign up for a free trial that will give you the credentials we'll need to work with Twilio's API. Next, initialize your Node.js project by running npm init in your terminal. After, go ahead and install the Twilio Node.js library using npm install Twilio. Now, in your main application file, typically apps or indexes, require the Twilio module. You'll then initialize a Twilio client using your account set and auth token. You can find those in your Twilio account dashboard. Make sure to store these securely, ideally using environment variables, to avoid exposing them directly in your code. To send an SMS, use the client message escry function. You'll need to provide the phone number that's the recipient, your Twilio phone number, which you'll obtain from your Twilio account, and the message body. This function returns a promise, so use then to handle the successful sending of the message, and catch to handle any errors that might occur. Congratulations, you've just sent your first SMS with Twilio and Node.js. The Twilio library allows you to do so much more, including handling incoming messages, making voice calls, and even building chatbots. Dive into the Twilio documentation to explore its full potential.